In this video, we are taking a look at a special release from Citizen within their Promaster Skyhawk range. Citizen are well known for their rugged, solar-powered movements, famously known as the Eco-Drive movements, but Citizen also produce a lot of great automatic watches, including these ones here. The NB6045-51H and the NB6046-59E are three-hand automatic GMT watches. In plain stainless steel, we have the NB6046-59E, which features a deep black dial and a red GMT hand, as well as a red GMT logo. And wearing an all-black outfit is the NB6045-51H with a not quite black dial. It appears more of a grey dial, and this one includes a black GMT hand to complete the monotone look. Both watches are completely identical in dimensions, movement and functions. The only differences are the aesthetics. Other small visual differences include the borders around the 12 and 6 o'clock markers. The blacked out model uses black and the other model uses stainless steel. But let's get into the specs. The automatic 9054 caliber inside of these bad boys affords an impressive 50-hour power reserve. It includes a date window at 3. They are anti-magnetic, and these watches are water resistant to 200 meters, which is good for swimming and snorkeling according to Citizen. You would have noticed by now there are two crowns on these watches, one at 3 o'clock, which is screw down and will set the hands to the desired time, including that GMT hand, while the other crown, which is not screw down, will rotate this slide rule scale with all of its aeronautical markings. Using this slide rule scale, you can do simple multiplication and division, calculate how much distance you can drive or fly with the fuel you have left, and a lot more that I can't get into detail because I don't really know exactly how to use it. But it's good to see this old school technology still surviving somehow, even if it is rarely used. Moving on to the dimensions, and these aren't exactly small watches, which shouldn't surprise anyone as pilot watches are intended to be larger for legibility purposes. So measurements include a lug to lug of 50mm, a diameter of 45mm, and a thickness of about 14. So while it is fairly wide, it isn't too thick, meaning a sleeve could easily slide over these watches. Both watches feature some really strong Lumibright found all over the dial inside the hour markers and the hands. Overall build quality is impressive, with solid stainless steel construction throughout the pieces. The bracelet feels really solid and smooth, both on the inside and on the outside. It looks great as well with these polished sections between these brushed sections. A stainless steel three-fold clasp with a branded safety clasp keeps these firmly on the wrist. On the case back, there's an engraving of a fighter pilot's mask and goggles, which looks pretty cool. And overall, these are really great looking watches, especially this midnight model here with its monotone look. However, personally, I am leaning towards this stainless steel version, as I do enjoy that little pop of red in the GMT hand and logo. But which one do you prefer? Let me know in the comments down below which one you would wear. Now, while these are not limited editions, they're in very low stock here at Watch Depot, so if you'd like to pick one up, click that link in the description. Thank you for watching another Watch Depot unboxing. If you like this video, then give it a like and subscribe for more watch content.